Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
It is 2021 and we are in a new year. John Bunn here, joined by my best good buddy, Nick Miller. And we just wanted to do a very short and quick episode / reminder that this year is going to be awesome. 2021 is here.
Yes.
2020, I can see it in the rearview mirror.
It's gone.
I don't want to go back to it.
Not going to.
It was a great year in so many ways, but like so many of you, I'm so excited that we have a new year.
Yeah. Who knows what is going to happen in 2021, but there's so much as you're thinking about the future. There's so much mindset plays such a huge part in it. And if you start the new year and you're saying, this year is my year, this year is going to be great. I am pumped for it. I am here for it. I am ready for it. If you have that mentality, then 2021 is going to be a great year for you. So we want to encourage you as we're sitting down. In next week's episode, we're going to talk about goals and how to plan for those and the things that you should be thinking about with your goals. As you're thinking about that stuff, thinking of this year, it's going to be a great one. It's going to be a good one. And we are excited to come alongside you and help you in your business as you're a wedding videographer and running your business and making more money and excelling in this year that for some is going to be their biggest year ever. And we're excited to be here for that.
I'm really excited about it. I'm excited about all of the great things that we have planned for our community. Thank you guys so much for joining along, for being there for us. We love the heartbeat of this community. We're so pumped about, I mean, we started in what, 2018?
2018.
So we had 2018 podcast, 2019 podcast, 2020 podcast. Now it's our 4th calendar year of having podcast episodes. I mean, we're getting old. Nick's going to turn 40 this year.
I don't want to talk about it yet.
What?
I don't want to talk about
boom,
it yet.
and I'm still going to be younger than him. Anyway, it's going to be great. Next year, I'll still be younger than you. It's going to be good, but we just wanted to say happy 2021. This is your year. That's all I got, Nick.
All right. And until next time, Happy New Year.
See ya.